welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a very delicious chicken recipe, Peshawari chicken. My channel all about easy to follow and easy to implement, ingredients always displayed in the right and highlighted for each specific step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First, I'm going to fry the chicken with the ginger, garlic and onions. For that, we need 5 tablespoons of oil, 3 small onions, 300 to 330 grams that I have sliced into long strips, 1.5 teaspoons of ginger paste and 1.5 teaspoons of garlic paste. And here I have 1 kg of chicken. Now I will add the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the onions. The oil is now hot, so I will add the sliced onions, and we will fry the sliced onions for about 4 to 5 minutes till they turn translucent or a little bit soft. The onions have now turned translucent, so I will add the ginger garlic paste, and we will fry the onions with the ginger garlic paste till the onions caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now turned light brown. Now I will add the chicken, and we will fry the chicken at a high to a medium-high flame till the chicken turns slightly brown. So we'll be able to see some brown spots on the chicken and it will change its color. So go ahead and fry this at a medium-high to a high flame. Next, we are going to fry the tomatoes with all our spices. For that, we need 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili. You can also use regular chili powder if you want more heat. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 4 medium tomatoes, about 480 grams, some salt as per taste, 4 green chilies, some coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half of a lemon. As you can see, there are brown spots on the chicken, so the chicken is now fried well. It took me about 8 minutes, but can vary depending on your oven and flame intensity. Now we will add the powdered spices, so the Kashmiri red chili, coriander powder, the roasted cumin powder, and mix all of this well and fry the chicken with these spices for another 2 to 3 minutes at a medium flame. It's been about 3 minutes. Now I will add the tomatoes and also add some salt as per taste, and add some green chilies. You can adjust based on your preference. I have slit these in the middle. And now go ahead and mix all of this really well together. I have mixed everything well. Now I will cover this with the lid and cook this at a medium flame for about 5 minutes so that the tomatoes can become soft. It's been 5 minutes and the tomatoes have now become quite soft. So now what we will do is we will add the garam masala powder and also add the black pepper powder, and add the coriander leaves, and mix all of this really well together. We have mixed everything well together. Now we will go ahead and cook this till the chicken is completely tender. I'm not going to cover this with a lid. There's a lot of water that's come out from the tomatoes and the chicken, so the chicken will just get cooked in the water that is there. However, if you want to expedite the process, then you can always cover this with a lid. I'm not covering with a lid, and I'll let this cook till the chicken becomes tender. Our chicken is now completely tender. So at the end, we will garnish with some more chopped coriander leaves, and also add juice of half of a lemon. Just sprinkle that on top. and our Peshawari chicken is now completely ready to serve. It's a very tasty and really easy dish, like you can see. Tastes awesome with roti, naan, paratha, or even a hot bowl of rice. Let me know how this recipe works out for you, and thank you so very much for watching my channel.